I'm Sansan. I feature agents and I ask them random questions about their industry.
Welcome to
Agente
Agente
Serie!
Serie!
We have another special guest today. One of the most beautiful people I know in the real estate industry. She's one of the people I really admire. So let's welcome Lizelle from Filipino Home.
Hi, Vicenza. Thank you for inviting me here.
Boss, can you tell me a little bit about you? A little bit background about yourself?
All right, I'm Lizelle Adolfo. I'm with real estate for about 6 years already.
Wow.
And I'm an accountant by profession.
Mm.
So I work from home of one of the US companies. Mom of four.
Wow, mom of four, but
Beautiful
look very
kids.
sexy.
Oh, sexy.
So why did you join the real estate industry?
I have to look for like a side hustle that can provide for my family without having this big capital.
Mm.
So when you invited me for an orientation, I joined the orientation and I got a sale like 2 days after.
Wow.
Real estate really is my big thing. And real estate is really my passion. So the passion of selling is not really about the income that provides for your family, but also for helping the people that needs a home. The feeling is really fulfilling. Since I was a kid, I'm into really sales.
Mm.
So my mom taught me everything about selling,
Mm-hmm.
like how to communicate properly with the customers. Even if we're only selling vegetables and fruits in the sidewalk, she taught me a lot. So my mama taught me how to be pleasant to the customers,
Mm-hmm.
right? So I really applied everything.
Wow, what's your greatest memory of being a real estate agent and helping
Greatest
your clients?
memory.
Yeah.
I mean the fulfilling side of an agent to close the deal and then help the client's needs on whatever is good for them or whatever they need or whatever they prefer.
Wow, nice. How did being a real estate agent change your life or help you in any way?
It helped me a lot in terms of personal growth. The professionalisms really have to have this kind of impact to the people that we are not just agents. Like we are not just a gente. It's we are here to support, to understand what our clients needs, and
So it's really more of an opportunity
yes,
to generate more income,
correct,
and it's unlimited resource, right? Because
correct.
your income would depend on the effort that you exert and you put into your
Yes,
business.
I
Because
agree.
do you consider this as your business?
Of course, real estate is our business,
Wow.
and yeah.
I really like that you mentioned that being an agent is not just about selling, but it's also about helping others.
Yes.
At the same time, it also helps you improve
Correct.
yourself
Yes.
and development within you, professionalism, etc.
Yes.
Right? You know, having a full time job, being a mom of four, and at the same time doing real estate part time. So
Yes.
how do you
Imagine my
deal with
day-to-day
that?
life. Being organized.
Mhm.
So in a day, I have to organize everything. You have to really have the boundaries. You have to focus on your work. So when you are with real estate, you have to focus on real estate. You have to manage time very well. I think that's the good thing about me. I'm efficient in terms that I really have to make sure that my time is valuable and I do productive in this moment of my life. I'm productive, but it doesn't mean that I don't enjoy my life. Right? So
Yeah.
I always enjoy my life, but I'll make sure that I'll set boundaries in times when I work, I always work. So after my work, I'll do my real estate in the afternoon and also taking care of my family and my self. Of course, self care is very important. So you also have to do that.
Yeah, so I think what I got from that is you have successful habits, and with your successful habits, you become more productive because everything is organized. right? And there is a balance
Yes.
between the personal and also your professional side,
Yes.
correct?
Yeah.
Wow, because it's not easy to
It's
juggle
really
so
not
many
easy.
things
It's
at the
really not
same
easy.
time.
Coffee is my life, actually. The coffee will give me the energy of my day-to-day life. You really need to enjoy everything around you.
Yes, because life is so short,
Short.
right?
Correct.
Yeah. And I really love that you really have a passion and a specific purpose for your life. What are the greatest lessons that you've learned?
Maintaining our reputation as an agent. Because, reputation is everything. It's a word of mouth, right? That you will be referred to a client.
That's right. I really agree with you.
Yeah.
And of course, there's a lot of misconceptions about
Correct.
being an agent.
So,
And
ahente ra na sila. So,
mm,
in Bisaya. These days, agents are misinterpreted as they're just agents. They're just looking for commissions. They're just looking for the incentives. They're just something like that. That is not just only about the income that it provides, but being a trustworthy, being a professional, that you are genuinely care about your clients' needs and your clients' preferences about their real estate investments. But I've been into this industry, so I for almost 6 years, so I developed day by day, and I grow a lot here in terms of professionalism, in terms of able to have this good camaraderie between you, the other agents, your colleagues, and the buyers as well, the investors.
wow. And what's the greatest achievement that you
Greatest
have?
achievement.
Yes.
Actually, there's a lot in terms of not financially, but in terms of I've actually met a lot of amazing people here in the industry. We gained friends actually, and that's one of the achievements that I have here in this industry. Number two is we've learned a lot of things here that we thought that it's not
Possible?
possible, but it's possible really here in the industry. I've learned to drive my own car.
Wow, driving your own car.
Driving my own car. So it's one of the best part of being in the industry because I've learned driving because I have to, because it's need in this profession. So I thought it's not possible, but it's possible. So I actually um consider it as one of my achievements.
You gained so many skills, so much knowledge, expertise, and
And
you
so many
built so
friends,
many relationships
not just
in
with
this
the colleagues,
industry.
but also gaining friends. We've met a lot of different clients. Like
Mhm.
number one, there's a CEO of one of the biggest companies in Mindanao. I've met something like that, and it's
Wow.
random clients that
Mm.
I've met online, and it's really a fulfilling on my end that wow, the point that he is one of the
Mm.
respected
Yeah.
person in
Yeah.
something
Yeah.
like that, and you met just online, something like
Mm.
it's one of your greatest achievement as well, like
Amazing.
meeting somehow good persons and having them as your friends.
Oh, that's really nice, boss. Because in life, your relationships are the most important
Important,
thing,
yes,
right?
I
Because
agree.
everything comes and goes, but your
Yes,
relationships are the most important thing.
I'm really focused on what is right. I'm not focused on what is not the negative sides of
Mm-hmm.
life.
Mm-hmm. Support group,
Yes.
especially in this industry, is very important. What can
Correct.
you say to the real estate agents out there? Do you have any advice for them?
So you really have to have a good communicating skills aside from having this negotiation skills, and you need to be exact and accurate on whatever details that you provide for them. So sales is not always up, and of course there's always down. So if you're tired, then just rest. We always get tired man good, so just rest.
Nice.
Then after you rest, then go hustle hard
Yes.
again. So when you're tired again, then rest.
Take time, take a
Take
break.
time, yes, take a break.
What I learned from the conversation that we had earlier is that you need to choose your battles,
Correct.
right?
Choose
Choosing your
your-
battles is very important.
Yeah, correct.
Remove negativity, but negativity is inevitable to our life
Yes.
because we encounter problems, life as it is. But choosing your battles is very important because that's when you know how to and what to correct, what problems to solve, what problems to avoid, and what blessings you need to embrace. Right?
True.
So choosing your battles is what I learned from you. Thank you so much, boss. It really inspired me today, and I hope our viewers out there will also be
I
inspired by
hope
your
you
story.
are inspired by my story.
Thank you for your time. Thank you. Ahead